It's a pretty nice area in here. There's like some running water that I can hear. So I wanted to come down here and check it out. Of course, I'm by myself now, so hopefully if I yell loud enough, if there's a bear down here, someone will hear me. Nice. There's still snow in this creek. There's still a lot of snow down here. I ain't wearing a sweater either. But I love this weather. Look at how crazy fucking awesome this looks. Let's get across this creek here. Look how clean the water is. Cold as fuck too. This is snow melt. This water is like 37 degrees. The water's probably so clean you could drink it without purifying it. Let's get over. A big drift of snow right here. Oh yeah. Fun times, man. Survive. Oh yeah. This is what I wanted to find. Oh. Now this is just fucking awesome. Yep, this is what I could hear. This is exactly what I was hearing way back up there on that hill. There's this little waterfall. Whew, dropped my glasses. I wonder if this bridge is safe.